deep in the quiet heart of Pine Forest, where the moonbeams danced on the leaves, lived a very special owl named Ollie. Tonight wasn't just any night. It was the eve of Easter, and Ollie's favorite time of year. Why? Because Ollie loved, more than anything, preparing wonderful surprises for his friends. Beside him sat his special basket, not filled with nuts or berries, but with pots of cheerful yellow paint and jars of shimmering, shiny glitter that sparkled like captured stars. As the forest settled into a deep, peaceful slumber, Ollie's work began. He moved through the darkness with silent wings, a little artist under the vast, starry sky. He took out his tiny brushes and began to paint. He painted delicate, striped eggs with streaks of moonlight and dappled them with starlight. Each egg was a tiny masterpiece, a secret gift waiting to be discovered. He worked diligently, his big, round eyes focused, a soft hoot escaping his beak every now and then. "This one's for Moki," he whispered, carefully placing a sparkly egg near the whispering river. "This one's for Pip," he hooted softly, tucking a swirly painted egg onto a low, sturdy branch. "And this whole little nest is for Barnaby," he chirped, arranging a clutch of polka dot eggs inside a cozy, leafy bush. He made sure each hiding spot was just tricky enough to be fun, but not too hard for his friends to find. When the first rays of dawn painted the sky in shades of rose and gold, the forest began to stir. The golden light filtered through the canopy, making the dewdrops on the pine needles sparkle like diamonds. One by one, Ollie's friends arrived, rubbing their sleepy eyes but buzzing with excitement. There was Mochi, the field mouse, Pip, the little bluebird, and Barnaby, the cheerful badger. They gathered in the clearing, their faces full of anticipation. Ollie perched proudly on a high branch, fluffed his feathers, and let out a joyous hoot. "Happy Easter, everyone!" he called out, his voice warm and inviting. He pointed a wing towards the sprawling woods. "Purden, some treasures just for you." Let the great Easter egg hunt begin. With squeals of delight, his friends scurried off. Moki, with his keen eyes, was the first to find a prize. "I found one," T chirped, holding up a magnificent, sparkly egg he discovered nestled in the moss by the river. The glitter on its shell caught the morning sun and threw tiny rainbows all around. Not long after, a triumphant tweet echoed from the trees. Rispip. He had found a beautifully painted egg with a mesmerizing swirly pattern, cleverly balanced on a low branch just within his reach. He held it gently, admiring the lovely design Ollie had created. And then there was Barnaby. He had a knack for finding the coziest spots. After a bit of searching, he peeked inside a thick green bush and gasped. Tucked away safely was a whole little nest filled with the most adorable polka dot eggs. His basket was nearly full in one go. One by one, they brought their findings back to the clearing, their baskets overflowing with colorful, glittering eggs. The air was filled with happy chirps, twits, and chuffs. They laid out their treasures on a soft patch of grass. A dazzling collection of stripes, swells, and spots, all shining under the morning sun. Their hearts were as full as their baskets. They all turned to Ollie, their faces beaming with gratitude. "Thank you, Ollie. This is the best Easter ever." They all cheered in a happy chorus. Ollie looked down at his friends, his heart swelling with joy. He saw their happy faces, their excited chatter, and their shared delight. He didn't need any eggs for himself. The best part of any surprise, he thought to himself with a contented smile, is watching your friends smile. The forest was alive with laughter and friendship. It was a truly sparkly, golden, and very, very happy Easter day for everyone in Pine Forest. 2. Thank you for listening to our story today. We hope you have a wonderful day full of your own happy surprises. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.